Are you hungry?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
Ham. Now. Achoo. Hey. Ma.
What, Penny?
Out.
Wait, you want to come outside?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Please.
Okay, if you're feeling brave, we can try.
Now?
Yeah, right now.
Great.
Alrighty, are you ready?
Uh-huh. Ready?
Come on out. It's beautiful outside.
No. Look, Lily. I'm outside. Never mind. Just kidding.
Hey, Penny.
Hey.
Are you feeling a little down in the dumps today?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what you're feeling?
Sad.
Do you want to talk about it?
No.
Do you want me to just leave you alone?
Yeah.
Can you think of anything that will make you feel better?
Ham.
Well, let me just get you some.
Thanks. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh, sorry, do you want pets?
Yep.
More?
Yeah. Please. Quick. Yay. Come on. Yay.
Penny!
What?
Can Anna hang out with us?
No.
Why not?
Cut.
Does she make you nervous?
Yeah.
She's very sweet, though.
Uh-huh.
She is.
Wait.
Alright, well, I'm gonna put her back in her room then.
Yay. No. Nom, nom, nom. That's yummy. Ooh, pets. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Nom. Ooh, kisses. Sneaky cat. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Get over here, Dumpty. I want to eat your hair. Give me your head. I need it. Pay attention to me. I'm going to get you. Nom. Nom. Ooh, thank you.
It feels nice.
Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Yay! Oh, yeah. Yuck. Ah!
You want me to stop?
Uh-huh.
What if we stop brushing you?
Hey!
Just kidding, just kidding.
Hey. Bless.
Goodness, you're so demanding.
Thanks.
Penny, we need to talk.
What?
You have been really lazy around here lately.
Lies.
Come on now.
Lies.
I need you to do more around here.
Ah.
Look at me.
Ah.
You need to be more responsible.
Fine.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, now go clean your room.
No. Fine.
Good.